Hey guys, welcome to my JAMB Chemistry tutorial video series. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what the nomenclature of alkene. This video, I'm going to walk you through the simple 3 steps you can use in naming alkene. Not only that, I'm going to give you what the pattern and ways in which was JAMB used to ask that question, so that you understand the kind of question you're going to face your JAMB. If you have not watched the last video on the nomenclature of the alkene, please go to the description below. You see a link there that will take you to what you have to do, because that video clearly explains the step-by-step method how to name what alkenes, which will help as a boost to this video. You help to understand this video faster and better, right? If you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because they want to miss out every single content we drop on this channel. Now let's get started. So, but before we move into the nomenclature proper, there are some certain things you actually need to know. Some few things. Yeah. Now the general molecular formula of the alkene was CnH2n, because JAMB used to ask this kind of question here. The hybridization is what? The sp2, and they are what? Double bond. Then the shape is what? The shape is what? Triangular planar. The bond angle is what? 120 degrees, and the type is what? Unsaturated what? Hydrocarbon. So these are stuff you clearly need to understand before you jump to what? The nomenclature of what? So how do you name alkene? Please follow me closely, because I'm going to walk you through easy way you can use to name that. So now let's start with this. Now, if I have something like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, of course, this is called what? Butane. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now, because they are all a single bond, is what is alkane, right? And the fourth member of the alkane is what? Butane. Do you get that? Now, so, but if you have something like this, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3. Now it's still what? 4 carbon atom here, right? Now the only difference between this guy and this guy is that there's a double bond here. Now whenever there's a double bond, here we have what? Alkene. And alkene are being derived from the corresponding alkene by the removal of what? The A, replacing what with E. So remember the fourth member of the alkene is what? Butane. So if you want names on here, you're not going to go what? Butane. Look at that, butane. Now, but the difference between this guy and this guy here is that you must put the position of what? Of the functional group. Remember, the double is what? Functional group, right? You must put what? The position. Now, how do you do that? Now, the carbon atom double bond must have the lowest possible number. So if I should start from here, 1, 2, carbon number 2, 1, 2, carbon number 2. So starting from either side, it's going to give me what? 2, right? So there's no problem with that. So here I can just say 2 what? Butane. Now it's very important to what? Put the position of what? Of the double bond. You get? Let's take this guy here. So there's a double bond here. How many carbon atoms do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you get that? So the seventh member is going to be what? heptene. Right? Now, but you cannot just say heptene. The position of the double bond must be indicated. So in saying that, the second will state that the carbon atom carry double bond must have the lowest possible number. So in saying that, you can either start your number from here, or you can start your number from here. Now, if you start your number from here, yeah, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon number 5 is what is carrying what? The double bond, right? Now, but if I start from here, 1, 2, carbon number 2 is going to carry double bond. So there are 2 possible ways. Here, it can either be what? 5 what? Heptene, or what? 1 to 2 what? Heptene. So which is the correct one? Now the one that have the lowest possible number is what? Correct one. Do you get that? So this is the correct one. This is what? The wrong one. So instead that when naming, you must know by straight that the carbon atom carry double must have what? Lowest possible what? Number. Do you get that? Now what about if I should have some here? The difference between this one and what we have not done is that there's a chlorine group here. Do you get that? There's a what? Chlorine group. Now, here we have the chlorine here, right? Now, irrespective of the position of the chlorine, now this carbon atom, this double bond must have the lowest possible number. Do you get that? So that is, I'm going to start your number from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? 7. Remember, the parent's name is what? 2 what? Heptene, right? Now the position of the chlorine is what? The carbon number 5. So it's going to be what? 5 what? 5 chloro. So What will be the full naming? Is not the full name is not going to be what? 5 chloro. The what? 2 what? 18. You get that is what its name. So if you say that the position of the double bond always will take the highest what priority. You get, so irrespective of the numbers of the substrate, the double bond must always take the what lowest possible what number. Okay, now look at this guy here, right? So you can see that this one is having 2 substituents, right, and a double bond here. So the chain is having how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octane, right? Octane. So now remember, this double bond must have the lowest possible number. So irrespective of what these two things here. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind number 5 is kind of double bond, but here we have 1, 2, 3. Kind number 3 is what kind of double bond, right? So that is why I will start on from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get that? So you got to what? 2 bromo. Here we have what? I can't have 5, I have what? Methyl. 5 what? Methyl. You get that? Now remember the double bond is a kind of what 3 here. More inside from here, right? So we're going to be 2 what octane. This is what the parent chain. This is what these are what are the substrate. Do you get that? So how do you now arrange them together here? Now the substrate must come before what the parent chain. So now when you arrange the substrate here, you must arrange it what alphabetically, right? A, B, C. So in the alphabetical order, B will come before what N. So you got to be what 2 bromo, 5 what methyl, the what 3 what octane. Please notice here that numbers and alphabet are always separated by what this hyphen here. Do that. So that is what is the rule. You can see how easy it is to name what you are alkene. Now let me give you one for you to try. Go ahead and try this. So pause the video, try naming this guy here. Now let me see what you can do. Comment your answer on the comment section. Do you get that? Try. Let me see. I believe you have tried, right? Don't worry. If they fail it, you are still practicing. Don't worry, get used to it. So you say that what be parent chain? Therefore, you have to take your parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So either here or here can be parent chain. Do you get that? So of course, here we have substrate here. So if I should take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I should take from here to here. Now if I should take from here to here. So here we have 3 substituents here. Here we have what methyl, bromo, and what chloro, right? So yeah, of course I'm going to now follow the rule. I'm going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what 7, right? So the parent is going to be what 2 what 18. 2 what 18, right? So here we have bromo, chloro, and what methyl. B will come first in the alphabetical order, right? Bromides are coming about 5, so we're going to be what 5 bromo. Here we have what 5 what chloro. They what 2 what methyl, right? Here we have what 2 what 18. You get, so you can see how easy it is to name stuff. So when you keep on practicing, you get used to the stuff. This guy here. Now let's look at this one here. Now this one is a little bit tricky, so I would like you to pay very close attention. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 octane, right? Octane. Now what will be the position? Please follow me closely. Now here's the stop here. I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. I have carbon number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have carbon number 4. So counting from either side. What will happen here? We give me what carbon number 4. So here we have 4 octane. So the position of the double bond is not the problem now. Do you get that? Since counting from either side is giving what 4. Now I will not know by association that the summation of the position of the substrate must have the lowest possible what number. Do you get that? So if I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what? 8, right? Now at position 4, I have this guy. At position 7, here I have this guy. So 4 plus 7, here I have what? 11. You get? So starting from this side here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what? 8, right? So 1, 2, position 2 and position 5, yeah, right? So we're going to be what? 2 plus 5, which is going to be what? 7. So starting from this side, we give you the lowest possible number. Why do I have to do this here? Remember, if I start from either side give me what? 4, right? Either side will give me what? 4. So you say that the correct number is not going to be the one that, if I sum the position of the substituent, it's not going to have what? Lowest possible number. If I start my number from here, I have 11. If I start my number from here, I have what? 7. Do you get that? So this is going to be the right what? Number. Hope you understand. So it's not going to be what? B, here we have bromo, here we have what? Ethyl. So it's going to be what? 2 what? Bromo. Right? Here we have what? 5 what? Ethyl. 5 ethyl. Then here we have 4 what? Octane. So that is it. You get, I believe you have gotten so much value from this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like so I can boost other JAMB students who are looking for this kind of content. I actually help them to understand. Click that boot button here, the like button. You get that? And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to this channel for more of these tutorials, right? So we have come to the end of our class in Nomenclature of the Alkenes. So what I want you to do is to what? Go to your past question and look for what? More questions like this and what? Practice. You get that? In our next video, we are going to do more of what? Alcohol, aldehyde, and what? Ketone. Make sure you don't miss that video. Thanks for watching.